What's up, YouTube? I'm Aaron. This will be the third video for GP Tech, which stands for Gelman Pictures Tech, in case you didn't know that. And today I'll be unboxing the Sharp TV.
I was wrong. It's the width is the problem. Huh.
Alright, YouTube, I forgot to film me actually finishing putting the TV up in my aunt's room, or I should say house. But it is up there. It is working fine. I fixed it by going to, I think, Lowe's and getting like a flat piece of compression board, like what desks are normally made out of, cheaply. So yeah, I just got a large one of those, put it on top of that stand, and then put the TV on, and it's pretty damn stable. Alright, peace.